Alright, so you want to know how to make an epic plate of Nasi Goreng Indonesian fried rice that's packed with flavor and super easy? Let's get started. First, I always prep everything before I turn on the heat. You'll need day-old cooked rice. Trust me, this is key. Fresh rice just gets mushy. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, a chili prawns, chicken eggs. Keycap mayonnaise, that's sweet soy sauce. If you can't find it, mix soy sauce with a bit of brown sugar. Regular soy sauce, pinch of white pepper. Heat a generous splash of oil in your wok, or a large pan over medium-high. Toss in garlic toss and onion toss and chili stir-fry until fragrant and just golden. About a minute. Add chicken. Add prawns. Give them a quick stir until cooked through. If you're skipping the meat, move straight to the eggs. Push everything to one side. Crack in 2 eggs, scramble them gently, mix through with the other bits. Add in your cold, day-old rice and break up any clumps. Fry it hard and keep everything moving so the rice gets that slightly smoky vibe. Pour over your soy sauces, toss until rice is evenly coated and caramelized. Sprinkle of white pepper, handful of chopped spring onions. Taste and adjust for sweetness or saltiness. Top with a crispy fried egg, a few crunchy shallots, cucumber slices, tomato. And there you go, homemade nasi goreng in just a few minutes. You'll never want plain fried rice again. Subscribe, share with your foodie friends. Thanks so much for watching and happy cooking. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks so much for watching and happy cooking.